Oh, it's knackering that, isn't it?
Yep.
Whew.
I barely pushed my bike.
I know.
Long before roads crossed this landscape and before the villages and market towns took shape, wolves roamed the wilds of East Anglia. Today traces of that untamed world remain. The Wolf Way weaves through ancient forests, across windswept heathlands, along dramatic coastlines and into the heart of Suffolk's rich history. It's a journey through landscape shaped by time, where every trail, every village and every horizon has a story to tell. Over the next few days we'll follow this remarkable route, embracing the challenges, discovering hidden corners of the county and experiencing one of Britain's most captivating bikepacking adventures. This is the Wolf Way.
Right, good morning. And today in Bury St Edmunds. And there's the wolf. We're doing the Wolf Way today. There's St Edmund the Martyr, who was born, or sorry, should I say he was King of East Anglia from 855 till his death in 869. So it's about 11 o'clock. We just had 4 hours of train journeys. We've got 62 miles today with a couple of thousand feet of climbing, haven't we?
Yeah.
On the Wolf Way. We're doing it in 4 days, so hope you come along. Plenty to see. And the weather is absolutely stunning. It's baking hot. I don't know what temperature it is, but it feels like mid-20s upwards at the minute. It's better than rain, isn't it? So yeah, let's crack on, eh?
Yep.
Well, that was a nice little run out of Bury St Edmunds. Bit of cobbles, a couple of lovely little bike paths. Yeah, beautiful. Not sure what this busy road is to the left, but on this lovely little path, look. Yeah. Tell you what, it's hot. It's very hot. I brought my hydration bladder today with me. It's going to be a scorcher. Right, so we've just done the first 10 miles. We're going to stop and have a bite to eat now. I'm not sitting on that bench, so it is 29 degrees in the sun today. So we're just going to sit under this lovely little tree here in this bit of shade and grab a spot of lunch. But so far, it's a lovely route. Very nice, quiet lanes. Oh.
Whoa.
Here you go, look. I'll show you this. So this is the crash site, 1944, 27th of March 1944, of a B-17 bomber not long after takeoff. The engine caught fire and unfortunately 7 crewmen died. The names are all commemorated on the plaque at the top there. There's even what looks like, don't know if it is, that bit of aircraft.
Of the old aircraft.
Could
Or
be,
what
couldn't
people have found and just left there.
Possibly, yeah.
Well, there's metal, look.
Yeah, could be, couldn't it? So it's just on this lovely little bridleway. Yeah, I think
There's a sign.
as you know, if you watch Channel before, me and Lisa always stop and pay his respects to things like this. Yeah. I wonder if that's why the hedge is missing.
I know, but there's this thing there, look.
Oh yeah. Can't
I
really
don't know
see
if that's
it
the
now,
crewman.
Yeah, there'll be a thing there, look. Can you do it?
I can try. I'll reverse my bike.
Beep, beep, beep.
Reverse. Hang on.
Can't reverse backwards, obviously.
I'm going to reverse into a ditch in a minute. You might have to zoom in on this. The Hudson crew.
Yeah.
Bullswood Farm. I think that's the crew.
Yeah, well, Bullwood Farm is the farm we've just passed. But yeah, they crashed. This was the crash site.
So you might have to zoom in because...
Yeah, will do. Right, so we've done 13 miles, 12 miles. Let's crack on. Oh, it's lovely out of that sun, isn't it?
Yeah.
because it is Scorchio today. Scorchio! Exterior Scorchio! Interior Scorchio! Paola!
Whoa.
Ooh! You lump some bumps on here, keep your wits about you. Look at these gorgeous fields, look. Just beautiful, quiet countryside. We've hardly seen anybody. Lovely, my kind of ride in this. Look at this gorgeous place. I think this is the outskirts of Lavenham, I'm sure it is. Look at all these picturesque houses of Lavenham. I'm not sure where it is, hopefully we'll see it. One of the Harry Potter films, the Deathly Hallows, the house from the Deathly Hallows was filmed here. So it said the crooked house in Lavenham inspired the nursery rhyme, "There was once a crooked man," which is weird because I thought that was inspired by the occupants of the House of Parliament, but there you go. Yeah, he did.
God, what a beautiful place.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's saying we're off route now.
No, it's not. Down here. Clear. Wow, what a lovely little place. Look at these houses, car.
Oh, it did. That's the Lavenham Press, so must be Lavenham. I didn't see the Harry Potter house though.
No. Right, so we've got his first bit of old railway, look. This was part of the Stour Valley Railway, opened in 1865. Closed in 1965, and it was only ever a single track line. Looks nice at the minute, doesn't it, love?
Yeah.
And more importantly, it's out of that sun.
Yeah.
Because that sun is baking, isn't it, today?
Bit hot today.
Absolutely energy sapping. So we're not far off halfway for the day, and it's 31 degrees. 31. This old triple archer. Oh, I don't know what this place is. It's a little place. We've got 25 miles left to go. It's baking, 31 degrees now it is. There's an old pillbox, look. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Right, so we just stopped and had a cold drink from the shops. It's our third time we've stopped for one today. Yeah, we're going to crack on. So far it's been a great route. Right, so we've just entered Suffolk.
We're going right here. Is it a give way or is it a...
No. Literally, you see that thing?
I can see just the sun shining on the grass.
Right, so where the sun's shining, just before the bend, just after it is the bird of prey.
Yeah.
If we set off, you'll see it when it takes off. Here.
Oh, it's just, yeah, I've seen it just take off.
Oh, it's there, look. Did you see it? Did you see it? Lovely. These quiet little lanes. You really do feel connected to nature, don't you? Oh, check it out. Finger post sign, one we've not got before. So we're on NCN number 1, which is nearly 1,000 miles long, south to north. And this is the old Hadley Railway down towards Ipswich. So this was 7.5 miles long and it opened in 1847 and it closed in 1965, one of the beaching cuts I'm guessing. Look at that, where this NCN finger post is. Look, they've used the old sleepers. Make a look point, that's cool, isn't it? Right, so I believe there's an old station a couple of miles down here. Not sure what's left of it, but let's crack on and see. We've got 10.5 miles left to his hotel in Ipswich tonight. So let's go. Oh, someone's having a barbecue.
I know, it smells lovely.
It smells gorgeous. So hungry and so thirsty. We must have had about 5 litres today, haven't we?
Yeah. Drank way more than we normally do.
Yeah, it's so hot. All right. That's what's left of the former railway station. In a sad state of repairing. It looks like it's just full of junk as well. Yeah, well, at least it's still standing. They might do something with it in the future. Right, we've got 8.5 miles left. So that railway trail's ended now. So that went along with it. 2 mile stretch. Yeah, it's a bit run down.
Is it?
Yeah. All right, that's day 1 done. Tough day that, not for the route. The route was lovely, not too arduous, just lovely. But the temperatures today, 31 degrees. It only dropped to 25 degrees in the last hour, but we were pretty cooked by then. We've drank a lot. We've had about, I don't know, 3 or 4 litres each, but it just weren't enough. So, yeah, we'll see what tomorrow brings. Forecast is supposed to be the same again. So yeah, another 60 mile tomorrow. So we'll see you in the morning. See you later.